Yo guys, Happy New Year's, 2nd of January 2021. Welcome to the show, and the plan for today is we're gonna be working on the 190e, the car that started this channel. Basically I need to do a little bit of a rust repair on the arch, not on the arch, sorry, on the seals. It's only on the passenger side, passenger side in UK. It's only on the left side that it needs a little bit work on the front jacking point and cleaning up on the rear jacking point. So this is the plan for today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy it, please like the video, subscribe maybe, and if you don't like the video, you know what to do. So we have cut a quite big section of rust. Looking back what I have done before, oh my god. Anyway, yeah, let me show you. So it's quite a big cut, but I have sprayed some rust convert over here because I can be changing inner seal at the moment. So in the future, probably 5-6 years later, hopefully we're gonna be changing the inner seal as well with the floors, but for now it's gonna be good enough for me. So yeah, we sprayed some rust converter over there. I'm gonna let that work its magic for another about 30 minutes to an hour, and then we start making some sort of a templates so we can make it look at least half decent. After we weld up everything, I'm gonna hit it inside with some rust converter again, because when I start welding, the one that is there at the moment is gonna be burned off. So yeah, wait about an hour, start making the templates, weld all the templates that I've made, weld them in there, spray it again with rust converter, wait another half an hour to an hour, and after that I'm gonna start putting some rust primer on top, so we can seal it up and hopefully we stop the rust working for a while. I just finished welding up everything. I have grinded down the welds so they look somewhat nice, and I have put some rust primer on top of it. I'm gonna give it about 10 to 15 minutes so it can dry and get a little bit tacky, and then I'm gonna do another layer on top, and after that we're gonna do some seam sealer so all the welds can be sealed and there's no water going through whatever I have missed, like a tiny spot or whatever. So yeah, this is the end result now. So welded up, covered with the rust primer, and we're waiting to dry. And this is all done as well. And the bottom. So yeah, we have a floor, no longer Flintstones. And then there's something being done before. Don't actually remember doing this. And then where I have rolled the arches, the paint is cracked, so I'm gonna need to take that wheel off and clean it up. That jack point needs to be cleaned up as well. And we are ready for MOT number 2. Second try. Hopefully we can pass this time. But yeah, I'm gonna do this and then I'm shooting home because it's quite late now. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it and you learned something, please consider to subscribe as well. In the future there's gonna be a lot more stuff that is gonna be including the 190 because this is my project car. Now what I need to put on the car, and I already purchased it and I'm already thinking of doing it, I have TA Technic shocks and springs. I'll actually open that. So these are brand new. I purchased them not long ago. They're 60 at the front, 40 or 45 at the back. I don't quite remember. So yeah, that needs to go on. Also, I have somewhere in the car. I have that, which is essentially air to fuel ratio gauge and wideband sonder, because at the moment it has a narrow band. What else we need to do? I need to get a new steering pipes because one of mine is actually leaking at the moment. I need to finish the brakes at the back because at the moment I have done only the big brake conversion at the front and I haven't finished the ones at the back. I have bought a rear calipers from S500 as well, so I'm really hoping that is gonna work. But yeah, anyway guys, the video is way too long anyway. Thank you really much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.